I'm following today the USD Canadian dollar in the 4 hours time frame. It's once again looking good again for another swing down. Yesterday I profited for I wrote the what was it? Yeah, I entered around there and I wrote this swing down right here. It seems like it's now it might be setting for another nice short opportunity off the 110 level. Where we have a confluence of different elements working as resistance. We have the last week low. We have the decade number 11000, very strong psychological support and resistance level. The 50 Fibonacci, which is my favorite one. And if we project the moving averages, we can see that if we get a retrace down here, we would probably have the what I call the dynamic area of resistance coming down to this level around there too. So there's a number of confluence of there's a number of elements working together as resistance. It would be a nice area to short the Canadian dollar from. Okay, another resistance level is this level right there, this triple bottom, okay, that we've seen throughout this week. Okay, this was Tuesday's price action, this was Wednesday's price action, and this was Thursday's price action. Okay, before breaking down to the downside, okay, we saw a nice resistance of this level at 109.65. But it's just too far away from too far down from for my moving averages, okay, from the area I like to sell from. Okay, it doesn't even touch, if it retraces up here, it wouldn't even touch the first Fibonacci level that I follow, the 38. So this is not an area I like to sell from. Okay, the area I like to sell from is the 110 area. Okay. But that's I'm going to show you what the actual point of this video is, and it's about the importance of keeping an eye on the longer time frame. If we go to the weekly chart, we see something very interesting. Actually, let's go into the monthly chart right there. We're seeing now a historical that we are hitting a historical low. Okay, right there. Okay, it's been we are banging right now. We've banked actually this morning on the low of the last, I don't know, let's see, 5 10 years. Oh, and we keep counting and counting and counting. I don't know, for like ever. We've never been this low on the Canadian dollar. All right, so we are right now actually banging onto this level, the 109.30. That was the previous low. Okay, this is the lowest point of the last decade, and it's a previous low, double bottom we are now seeing. We've just seen on the monthly chart. Okay, if we get a bounce up from this level to the area I was looking to sell from, okay, the 110 area, I would not take this short entry, even though it's a valid level from a technical point of view to sell from. Okay, according to my system, I'm not gonna take it. Because basically we are hitting an enormous area of support here. Okay, is we have a double top on the monthly, a double bottom on the monthly chart, and well, I'm just not ready to enter at this time of the chart until this level gives way. Okay, like I always say. Trading is all about buying support and selling resistance. If after having slapped this level we retrace back up here, and if I decide to enter short the market at this level, I would be basically selling onto support. Okay, a massive support on the monthly chart. I'm not gonna do that. I'm gonna wait for either this level to give way or yeah, basically I need the 10930 level to give way before considering any further short opportunity on the Canadian dollar. All right. Also, it's probably similar. It's the reason as of why I'm not going to. 1 second, guys. There it is. It's the reason as of why I'm not going to look into any other short opportunity on the Euro Canadian dollar. It's looking fantastically good. Okay. Also, I wrote this swing down yesterday. Okay, from here to here, I'm at about I think it was 72 pips. We had a nice swing down, consolidation, break out of the consolidation, and all the swing down. Okay, I wrote it, like I say, from here to down to here. We will probably now get a healthy retrace back. So I'm not gonna short either the EURCAD. Okay, this area, the 148.75 area, seems like a nice area to sell from. Okay, even the 148.50. We project the moving averages by the time price retraces back up. Probably moving averages, at least the fastest one, the 30 one, the 30 simple moving average, will have caught up with price around this area. We have a previous last week's low. I'm sorry, the last swing down low around this place, the 61 Fibonacci level. At the 148.50 area we have the round number and also the 50% Fibonacci level, and also the top of this let me show you guys, of this small range here. Okay, right there. So this would definitely be a beautiful area to short from. But since we are seeing the USDCAD in a massive, banging onto a massive area of support, that might, if the USDCAD currency pair bounces up, okay, I would not be surprised that bounce up to carry or to push the EURCAD also to bounce up into higher highs. Okay, who knows for how long it could go, the retrace, if we get a retrace. Nonetheless, if I see that USD Canadian dollar is actually finding support from this level, okay, the 10931 so far is indeed finding support right there at the time of recording. I don't know if I actually said it today. It's Friday the 18th of May 2007. It's 11 a.m. Euro time. Okay, so if at this precise time I see that this level is holding, okay, and price continues to retrace up and up and up, I will not be surprised if the Euro Canadian dollar currency pair follows suit, okay, and keeps making new highs. Okay, I don't know for how long, but until that level on the USDCAD gives way, okay, until we actually reach this 10931, both the USD Canadian dollar and the Euro Canadian dollar is will be banned from my watch list. Okay. Well, that was all, guys. I just wanted to point out the importance of the longer time frames. So far I'm seeing a beautiful downtrend in an area that I definitely like to I would definitely like to enter short from, but because of the longer time conflicting signals on the USD Canadian dollar, I'm just gonna pass on this possible signal. Okay, alright, that was all. Bye bye, guys.